man, so we're letting the car warm up right now. And you see it's 75 degrees, so it's not too hot. It's a little on the warmer side. So this is just a fun run, just because he was in the area. We really want to run it at night when the boost weather's nice. So when part 2 comes, you guys will definitely see that. But as for now, we're some fun runs right now, man. It's gonna be pretty cool. On the way to the little meetup spot. Still gotta let the car warm up a little bit, but should be good. He's getting a car wash right now, so got some time to kill. So I'll see y'all there.
That's crazy.
This is twin, huh? Twin turbo?
Twin turbos.
What are these?
You want me to pop the hood?
360 horsepower?
No, so the dealership told me it's 355.
Okay.
Basically 360. But specs online say that it's 300 stock.
Oh.
But yeah, V6 twin turbo, that's just fun. I want to get the big turbos on that bitch. I want to do the fucking turbo flutter and shit like you.
That simple thing just changes the car.
Yeah, dude, that shit's so fucking sick.
Oh yeah, where are the turbos at?
They're down here, so here's one right here, and then the other one on that side is this one. This.
Oh, okay.
So they go down, they're bottom mounted turbos.
Unfortunately, I did forget to fucking film the roll race. Of course, beginner YouTube shit, you know?
Like, I wasn't trying to get fucking
Q down.
We don't trust you niggas. We don't.
I don't trust no motherfucking body.
We don't trust you niggas.
from the canyon runs and the cars cool down.
Yeah, because I noticed everything was cool, but once I made that left and it started coming straight this way,
I smelt it once we got to like the end of it right here.
Yeah, that's when I started noticing too. Put it in regular drive, like I wasn't trying to get fucking
Many hours later.
Q down. Alright y'all, so crazy turn of events. Q50 went down, but everything's good. Tow truck came. It is a lot later now, so we have a pretty good drive back on this dark ass canyon. But car got picked up, it's getting towed. Not too sure what's wrong with it yet. The code that it was reading was camshafts. It was saying something like bank 1 and bank 2. Like I don't know nothing about Infinity. Yeah, that was the codes that kept coming up. So hopefully it's something minor, man. You get back on the road. Yeah, that's the update. We did end up coming away with the free 8th, man. We were able to lock in the dub on the roll race.